she tries to make a balance between my wife's wish and my budget. Brings me complete package.
Yes, she
and
manages
solution.
that very well. We had a time constraint कि we have to ship to the place. तो वो 2-2.5 महीने के अंदर ही हमको पूरा करना था with the civil work.
Yeah, this question
So,
also we asked that how you will
manage
complete
the
within the
time.
time.
वॉल का एक पेपर जैसे वो आता है ना, उसमें एक अच्छे से एक थीम लगवाना है वॉल में.
Okay.
She appears to us very confident that she can execute
yes.
this whole work. Although once we started the work, you know, the scope was just like this and then it keep on extending, but still the deadline was remain there only. So that was the good part.
So the thing is the trust. इसीलिए हम second project में भी साइली के साथ ही जा रहे हैं.
Still it is maintained, okay?
Yeah. Credit goes to you. So, what's the new project?
We have bought a project here in Tulip. यार वो इससे थोड़ा छोटा है, but उसको भी ऐसे ही आपको सुंदर बनाना है. So it is on the 20th floor. So उसको भी ना थोड़ा सा livable बनाना है, and there is only one balcony.
So, you wanna make it second home or how? ठीक है.
Second home नहीं, but you know थोड़ा spacious लगे और किसी को rent out भी मैं अच्छे से कर सकूँ, you know.
Okay.
For me this one is the best. So इसको देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि वो प्रोजेक्ट भी आप ही करो.
Yeah.
So no, तो मुझे आप पे ही ट्रस्ट है.
Yeah.
उसका किचन मुझे अच्छा चाहिए. यू नेवर नो अगर मुझे वहाँ शिफ्ट होना पड़े, तो किचन हैज़ टू बी वेरी नाइस.
Yes, sir.
सो आई वांट यू टू विजिट दैट प्लेस एंड गिव योर व्यू. सो अकॉर्डिंगली कि लेआउट में ही हम उसको चेंज कर सकें कि ये वॉल नहीं चाहिए कुछ, और उसको स्पेशियस बनाए.
Okay. So, what do you want in your room?
वो काउच है, उसे हटाना है
Okay.
और स्टडी टेबल लगाना है.
Okay. And which color or which theme you want? What you want?
Pink.
Pink. Okay.
We were staying in on rent, and then we finally bought this house. So I was looking for a good interior designer. So one of my friend told me कि one of his carpenter was telling about some good interior designer. So we called that carpenter, and then he introduced us to Saili. So I still remember Saili came, you know, and she was so humble while coming in, you know. I thought कि interior designer ऐसे होंगे वैसे होंगे, no, but she came so humbly and she greeted us and she showed her full portfolio, you know, कि मैंने ये काम किया है.
My first impression was the way she was guiding and supervising and interacting with the carpenter and other team members, giving them direction, understanding the practical difficulties what they are facing. I was, you know, quite impressed. By that time she was very young also, means just started work. I asked question, how many years experience you have? I think it was on hardly 3 years by the time, 3 to 4 years if I remember correctly. And work was going at the real site. That experience gave me the confidence that yes, she can manage the work independently. I don't have to really give my own contribution in supervising, so I was very relaxed.
And the coordination with, like, अगर as a client जो मेरे साथ उसका coordination था, that was commendable. कि हाँ आज हम यहाँ जा रहे हैं और आज हमें ये चीज़ों को वर्कआउट करना है ताकि 1 week हम इस पे काम करेंगे. So whatever the thing was, it was all well planned. तो हम 2 ही लोग थे, 2 women, and we were coordinating, you know. और ये घर हम 2 women ने बनाया है, and he was the financer because he was traveling, he was not there.
For some time, yes.
Yes. तो हम दोनों ने अच्छे से किया and we had a good time. और हम सुबह से जाते थे, शाम तक घूमते थे, अच्छा लंच करते थे, चाय कॉफ़ी सब. एंड वो मस्ती मस्ती में मेरा घर बहुत टाइम लिमिट के अंदर वो बन गया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ यहाँ आकर, you know.
See, the current experience was as such, you know, from design to execution, touch and feel, in all the aspects of the design, it was great. So, you know, still now it is 6 years. We still feel this house is as new as it is, like newly constructed or newly we have shifted just recently. So if the freshness is still within 6 years, the freshness is still maintained, why not in the new project we'll recommend the same thing? And also, you know, my wife has such a good experience
I have
of
total faith on
shopping
her.
and overall,
Yes.
selecting the design.
I have total faith on
So
her.
the vibes are also matching, about any color, theme, scheme. So this makes my job very easy. You know, I don't have to come in between and decide the design and etc. Both of these two ladies take care of this very well. And
So we have that tuning, na mental tuning. hai.
and Sally also, listen to me when I just give her some hint about, my budget is also constrained. So she tries to make a balance between my wife's wish and my budget. So that
because-
is what brings me complete
Yes.
package.
Yes, she
and
manages
solution.
that very well. हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे ये मैं भी बोल देती हूँ, साइली मुझे ये चाहिए और ये ऐसा चाहिए. अब वो किस बजट में कैसे होगा, that is his department. But I want this. So our mental tuning is very nice. कि मुझे मतलब क्या हमको चाहिए और वो कैसे वो execute करेगी हमारे बजट में. So the thing is the trust. इसीलिए हम second project में भी साइली के साथ ही जा रहे हैं.
So in any project I work like it is my own house. The feeling or the designing it has, we also connect so much with that particular project. For that 3 to 6 months time, it is a huge time, I guess, for a flat or for a particular family. So we also get connected. Sometimes this relation stays longer. So this is one of that project that I'm meeting them after 5-6 years also. It's not like I'm meeting them directly after 6 years, but meanwhile also we have met before, but we are still working with each other. So it doesn't feel like that this house we have made 6 years ago and still we are meeting after 6 years and then discussing. So it feels nice that still those memories are there and we have connected at that time only at such level that today we can just meet, discuss and start the new work. So it is not just from my side, it is from client side also that they have that faith in me and they are also that good people that we get connected so long.
कट आपका सेकंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैडम आपको वैसे ही चालू कर देंगे. हम डायरेक्ट फोर्थ क्वेश्चन पे आ जाएंगे. हाँ?
ये पता है, ये बोलते भी है. अब ये करना है ना, ये पहले साइली को फोन करेगी. मैं यहाँ पे ये वाला रख लूँ.
आपका नेट पे कुछ नहीं था उस समय?
नहीं, आई रिमेम्बर प्रॉपर पोर्टफोलियो शी ब्रॉट अप.
तुम लास्ट में फिनिशिंग टच दे देना.
क्या फिनिशिंग टच?